roasted cauliflower street taco.
Yes.
We just got back from Sacramento and we had some delicious roasted cauliflower there. It was so good.
It was so good.
And so in honor of our upcoming Cinco de Mayo, street tacos, we thought, what better thing to put in them than roasted cauliflower? So we've got some
healthy,
some fun, vegan, healthy, but I think they're going to be quite delicious. So what do we got going here? We're going to make a little
a little avocado
cream
sauce.
And the word avocado just makes everything better to me. It's like one of my very favorite. I think I eat about a half avocado a day. I do. I put it on either eggs in the morning or quesadilla at lunch, or I throw it on my veggie burger at dinner. I mean, I seriously think I eat one every single day.
Well, it's a healthy fat, that's for sure.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we've got the juice of a lime, right? Mm-hmm. Okay.
It's actually half a lime. I used some of that for the
half a lime.
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, these are beautiful.
I know. I'm so excited.
Beautiful. So we're just gonna cut this up.
Okay. It's gonna be delicious.
In there. So why don't you tell them what we did to the cauliflower?
All right, so we took 1 head of cauliflower, and since we're putting it in these little tacos, these little street tacos, I would cut it up fairly small, you know. I mean, we've got some bigger pieces. Just did a little bit of olive oil, salt and pepper, just lightly, and then we did a fair amount of chili powder and cumin. We did not measure, but as you can see the chili powder on there. And so, you know, I would say, what do you think? Did we do a tablespoon on that?
I don't even think a tablespoon.
So maybe half a tablespoon of the chili powder, and then maybe a teaspoon of the cumin, and probably a half a teaspoon of the salt and pepper. And we just roasted it for about 20 minutes on 400 until it gets in. So it's cool now.
Reggie. All right, so I've got the avocado. I put a teaspoon of the minced garlic, juice of a half of a lime, and then how much of the olive oil?
We said 2 tablespoons to start with.
All right.
So we're gonna start with that, and just see if we need to add any more. But I think that'll be okay because the avocado's got plenty of fat in it. So
right, I don't think it needs to be.
And then this here is a cup of black beans, just maybe 2 tablespoons of diced red onion, and then a little bit of green chili sauce. I mean, you could add some green chilies. You don't have to add the green chili sauce. We just had some open. We thought we'd use it. And then just a little bit of salt, right?
Yeah.
So salt and pepper.
Yeah. Okay, let's get this.
I think I'd just add a little bit of water.
I was just gonna say.
Were you gonna say that? I don't think we need any more olive oil. I would just add maybe a tablespoon of water, just so that it can.
Oh, it's nice and creamy.
I know it does look. Those are such good avocados. Yeah, the key to a good avocado. So here's the thing with the avocado. I made the mistake of thinking that when you push it, it needs to be pretty soft. It does not. In fact, it needs to be pretty firm. And yeah, you want to be able to push in it a little bit, but the perfect avocado is pretty firm, actually.
Here, you tighten that. I've got water over my hands.
Okay. There we go. I'm gonna wipe it just so that. There we go. All right. Get it open.
I think that's
pretty good.
I think that'll do it.
All right. I'm gonna use this just because the olive oil made this a little slick. There we go.
Move this over here.
Okay. Oh my gosh, that looks so pretty. Oh my gosh, look good.
It looks so good. Okay, so neither one of us love corn tortillas. I mean, it's not my favorite. So I always like to, whether it's gluten-free or a corn tortilla, I like to crisp them up in a pan a little bit. So I just did some Pam spray, turned it on, and then we just kind of browned them a little bit.
Yeah.
So there's at least some kind of body to it. And then Heather had this cute little tray that.
Yeah, isn't that fun? Yeah.
So we just like them across. So we're just gonna go ahead and build our tacos.
Okay.
Right?
Yeah.
Okay,
Go for it,
so-
sister. And we've got some pickled red onion here.
Let's
And
see.
we can purchase this, right? Did you purchase this?
We made that.
You
I
made
made that.
that. Okay.
Done on a show.
Okay. So how do you make that if they want to make it?
I'll put the recipe below.
Got it. Perfect. And can you buy it? I've never bought it.
I don't think so.
Okay.
I mean, maybe you could. You can buy.
Yeah.
There's lots of things you can buy.
And you could
pickled.
do cabbage, but I kind of like the pickled red onion.
Oh, okay. So I think I'm gonna start mine with the cauliflower.
I'm gonna watch you, and then I'm
gonna do just a little bit of the black bean. Okay.
Okay.
And then I'm gonna do just a little of the
Avocado.
and then I'm gonna top it with the pickled red onion.
Okay, now do we get to try these? Cause yum.
Oh, we're trying them, sister.
Okay, these look amazing.
Actually, I'm gonna do this here.
Put it in between, yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna build the rest of these and we'll
Be right back. All right. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. And we have all this yummy cauliflower left.
I know,
which is
I'm so happy.
I am too. Okay, so doesn't that look pretty?
They look so pretty.
Look at that. I mean, how fun. And those were so easy once you've got all the different components assembled. Now, is this a Two Hungry Neighbors original recipe?
It is. It is.
Yeah, very excited about this.
We kind of have taken parts. This I just whipped up today, and
Because originally we were going to do a chicken street taco, and we were like, hey.
because we had all that cauliflower in Sacramento, and it was so good.
It was. I mean,
so good.
it's kind of a thing now. Like in a lot of restaurants, I think you can. They're doing cauliflower. They're doing it buffalo, roasted, Brussels sprouts. You see a lot. It's really they've really upped the whole, vegetable game, and it's really pretty nice when you go out to eat that you have those options and they still taste delicious. So, all right, I'm dying to try this.
So I'm just gonna do a little. Do you want some little square?
Yes, let's try these. Let's. I'm anxious to.
Okay.
All right.
Oh my.
Okay. We're probably gonna make a mess here, but.
We're definitely gonna make a mess
No
here.
judgment, guys. And we are going to be putting the recipe, so be sure to check the comment section. Okay, these are so good. These are so good.
Oh my.
I love the avocado cream.
I do too.
It's so, the pickled red onion really gives it a nice little, like a little sweet to it.
And it just brightens it up a little bit.
Mhm.
Oh my gosh, these are so good. Okay, so we'll definitely put the recipe
You want
below.
to try this?
I know.
Mhm.
You have to try this.
Mhm.
And please let us know what you think. So drop your comments below. Share.
Yeah, let us know what you think if you try them. We love comments, we love sharing, we love subscribers.
Yeah. So
Thanks so much. Happy.
two hungry neighbors here.
That's right.
Cinco de Mayo.
Absolutely.
Street tacos.
Cheers.
Cheers.
All right. See ya. Those are good. That was yummy.